Good morning. Thank you for your interest in our study. Our study is titled Transdisciplinary Water Education, a view across the standards for teaching and learning to foster water literacy. Water is an essential resource for human and natural systems. Water literacy involves understanding the interactions within and between natural and human systems to support informed decision making. This is an important outcome for learners of all ages. It is therefore critical to foster water literacy in today's global citizens, particularly through formal education. The purpose of this study is to examine water-related standards for teaching and learning about human and natural dimensions of water across K-12 systems to develop a comprehensive and transdisciplinary perspective on water education. The knowledge, skills, and behaviors reflected in these standards can be accounted for through a learning domains perspective. Learning domains are taxonomies of learning processes which help classify learning outcomes. And here we focus on the cognitive and affective domains. Both domains focus on helping students develop conceptual understanding and skills conducive to responsible attitudes and behaviors towards the environment. Our overarching question is, what do disciplinary standards specify as outcomes for students learning about water and humans? And our research questions are, to what extent do these water-related standards address recognized domains of learning? And what thematic outcomes for students learning are apparent across grades in these water-related standards? We collected 477 water-related education standards from 12 education-oriented governmental and non-governmental organizations based in the US and the United Nations. We used chi-square statistics and a conventional qualitative content analysis method complemented by processes from grounded theory to analyze these standards. Our results indicate that, first, water-related standards emphasize the cognitive domain, including the declarative and procedural knowledge, for water and human systems related concepts and skills. Although the affective domain and its social and emotional components are less prevalent, they are also key for students' learning to help them support water management practices. Second, the water-related standards illustrate 4 categories which encompass the natural dimensions of water, including abundance, distribution, and movement of water on Earth, water and the geosphere, water and climate, and water and life. It also has 5 categories which encompass human dimensions of water spanning K-12 grade bands, including human settlements, the nexus between water, food, and energy, public health, impacts of human activities on water quality and quantity, and water resources management. Overall, the study contributes to developing a comprehensive perspective of water and human systems that can help inform teaching and learning to cultivate water literacy, including curriculum development and classroom pedagogy. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention.